Hello, this is Mike. I'm good for ice machine. Today is October 24th, 2020. Here I'm making a video to illustrate our standard 3-ton per day flake ice plant. This is the 3-ton per day flake ice machine. It can make 3 tons of ice flakes within every 24 hours. And that ice daily productive capacity is based on 30 degrees Celsius ambient temperature and a 20 degrees Celsius water inlet temperature. On this page, we can find all the dimensional information about the 3-ton per day flake ice plant. The length, 2 meters, the heat of the machine, the heat of the ice room. Okay, this is the ice room. This is the steel frame. The steel frame will support the ice machine and bear the weight of the machine. This is the dimension for the ice room. With this dimension, the ice room storage capacity is 1.5 tons of ice flakes. This is the layout drawing. 3-ton per day flake ice machine. 1.5 ton ice room, and this is the ice room door. This is the 3-ton per day flake ice evaporator, the ice generator. The ice is formed inside. The ice is made inside the generator. This is the air cooling condenser with the 2 air cooling fans. This is the control panel. From another angle, we can see the compressors clearly. Here we can see the air condenser is equipped with the 2 air cooling fans because sometimes the ice system will be working in a country which has a hot summer and a cool winter. So in the hot summer, the 2 air cooling fans will keep working together. And in the winter, one fan will automatically stop working and only one fan keep working. Only the other fan keeps working, and this fan will be working with a VSD. It can automatically adjust its own working speed according to the ambient temperature. Sometimes when the ambient temperature is below 0, it will stop working. So it's a smart system. The steel frame is strong enough to bear the weight of the machine. Ice will be made automatically and forced into the ice room. The ice room can storage maximum 1.5 tons of ice flakes. 1.5 tons of ice flakes, that ice storage capacity is big enough to collect all the ice flakes made in the night time. So when there is no people around the ice plant, you can keep the machine working. Ice will be stored automatically and be kept inside the ice room. When you open the door of the ice room in the morning, the room is already full of ice flakes. Okay, just now we checked all the dimensional information and the layout information of our standard 3-ton per day flake ice plant. Here we have 2 pictures to show the 3-ton per day flake ice plant we made before. The 3-ton per day flake ice machine, the ice room door, and here is a steel frame to support the machine and bear the weight of the machine. Here we check it from another angle. Of course, in this picture, the air cooling fan had only one. The air cooling condenser had only one fan, and this fan is working with a VSD. Variable speed drive. It can adjust its own speed according to the ambient temperature. It will work with the full speed in the hot summer and reduce its running speed in the cool winter or cold winter. The ice machine is ready for working. After very simple installation, you just need to collect it with the water and the power and then press the start button. It will start ice making immediately. So this is what we call plug and play design. Later, I will put on a video to show how this system looks and how the system works. If you like my videos, you can subscribe to my YouTube space. I will keep uploading more videos for more machines in future. Thanks. The ice room can storage 1.5 tons of ice flakes. It's actually a room. We open the door of the ice room and check the inside. Okay. So the ice is falling down from the ice machine into the room like this. We'll keep running the machine for a long time until the bin is full. Okay, we have been running the machine for 4 hours. There should be a lot of ice inside the room. We're going to open the door of the ice room. Let's check the inside. Oh. We're going to collect some ice. This is the ice made inside the ice room. It's very dry, well frozen. The cooling performance should be very good. The water is well frozen. Put it back. Ice will stay very dry inside the heat insulated ice room. That is the ice outlet. Now we are going to close the door of the ice room. It's very convenient.